Welcome at the RTS Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 12. The title of the Unit 12 is I Live in the Big House. In this unit, you will learn the followings: how to give your address, how to talk about location, how to use number over 20. Here are the words you will learn to use: address, at, or all, card, corner, get, hospital, I will, near, next door, next to, on, opposite, police station, road, street, will. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101. Here are some phrases you will learn to use: I live at, around the corner, on the corner. Here are some sentences you will practice: where do you live? What's your address? Where is the police station? He lives next door. She is my neighbor. I live in the big house around the corner. I will call you on Friday. Grammar tips: tense with will and special preposition. Picture 1. This is my house. I live at Richmond Street. Picture 2. Where do you live? I live at 2 Richmond Street. What's your address? My address is 2 Richmond Street. Picture 4. Here is my card. Picture 5. My address is 19 Exard Street. Let's repeat this again. It's your turn to repeat. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5. Let's move to the next page. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Picture 1, Harden Road. What's your address? 22 Harden Road. 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 201. Picture 3, George Street. Okay, picture 4, these are blanks you have to fill. It's your turn to fill, then I will answer. What's your address? I live at George Street. Let's repeat this. It's your time to repeat. Okay, it's your turn. Picture 1, Picture 2, numbers, Picture 3, Picture 4. Let's move ahead. Hospital. Where is the hospital? On the corner of Brown Street and Abbey Road. Picture 3. Where do you live? Next to the hospital. Picture 5. Where do you live? Opposite to the hospital. Let's repeat them. It's your turn. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Cantor Street. Pear Street and Cantor Street. Where is the police station? On the corner of the Cantor Street and Fair Street. Picture 3. Where do you live? I live next to the police station. You can see in this picture. Picture 5. Where do you live? I live opposite to the police station. This is all about this page. It's time to revision. It's time to revise. Okay. So picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, Picture 5, picture 6. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. This is Carl. He lives next door. He's my neighbor. Hello, Carl. Good to meet you. Picture 3. This is Jen. She lives next door. She is my neighbor. Hello, Jen. Good to meet you. Revise them. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4. It's time to move to the next page. Picture 1, the big house. You can see picture in the picture 1. Picture 2, I live in the big house around the corner. I don't live near the hospital. I live near the hospital. I live near the hospital. Repeat it. Picture 1, picture 2, and picture 3. Let's move to the next page. I will. I will call you on Friday. Okay. Picture 2. Hello. Hello. Picture 3. I will meet you on Thursday. No problem. Picture 4. Picture 5. Can you get the phone? Yes, I will get it. Hello. It's time to revise. Okay, repeat. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. It's time to move to the next page. The Bansons. Good night. Picture 1. Picture 2. Good night. It was good to meet you. Picture 3. Where are you going? I live next door. Bye. Picture 4. Bye bye. Picture 5. I have to go home. I'll call a taxi. Picture 6. Address please. To Richmond Street. Revise it properly. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. It's time to move to the next page. How many people? 2. Picture 8. Name? Benson. Picture 9. Thank you. Bye. Picture 10. Benson. Yes. Picture 11. Where to? To Richmond Street. Okay, this is all about Unit 12. Repeat last page. Then we will meet in the next video with the next chapter. Goodbye. See you in the next video.